Day 2 of cutting up the backyard, our new pile. So all of this stuff back here, maybe 20 feet, 30 feet back, will be cut down. Virginia's working on it. She's handling that chainsaw like a pro. So our pile is burning down and we got help. Linky and Neil both came over to help us. There's Neil in the background. So we are grateful for their help. They're young and healthy. How cool is that? So we ran out of gas?
Yeah, but we felled the tree and we saved the shed. A little bit of hole there.
Yeah, the shed kind of got hammered a bit.
Can't
I'm going to have to fix that, and I'm going to have to fix that hole.
I think we have some of the shed at the
Shingles, yeah, I'm going to have to get up there. I don't know what it looks like on top. I'll have to see that. So after we cut up that, what was that tree called? A hickory? No, it's not a hickory. A gumball. I'll show you what the seeds look like. Very sharp. So this is a sweet gum tree all cut up, and it had so many little spiky balls that were on the ground that many trees grew up, and we cut those back to try to tame the backyard from encroaching the house. It was a big job, but we got it done.